Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Stripe elements from payment checkout UI, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Stripe elements from your payment checkout UI, first, open your project folder. Locate the main project files where Stripe is integrated. Find the JavaScript file where the Stripe elements are instantiated. Look for the section of the code that imports or includes the Stripe library. Comment out or delete the import statement for the Stripe library. Next, locate the initialization code for Stripe elements. This typically involves creating an instance of the Stripe object. Remove or comment out the lines that initialize the elements. Next, locate the event listeners tied to the Stripe elements. Delete any listeners that handle payment or form submissions using Stripe. Next, navigate to your HTML file where the payment form is located. Remove any HTML markup associated with the Stripe elements. Make sure to clear out any related styling or classes in your CSS files. After that, check the backend code where Stripe API calls are made. Remove or modify routes that handle payment processing through Stripe. To ensure a clean uninstall, search the entire codebase for references to Stripe. Delete any Stripe-related dependencies in your package manager, like npm or yarn. Run your project to confirm that no Stripe errors appear in the console. Finally, perform thorough testing of the payment checkout UI for functionality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.